Hello there, I'm Dave from Dynobike. Just behind me is an RS660 Aprilia. This is a HO version. It has already got a full system fitted to it, and it is here for a tune. We've done some base runs, so we've got all that covered now, and we'll be able to make some comparisons when we're finished. But first, before we actually do the tuning work, we have some velocity stacks that we're going to fit to it. There's two of them. They're slight different sizes, but they are a lot bigger than the original ones. I'll drop in a photo in a second so you can compare the difference. These definitely flow a lot more air than the other ones. So by the time we have finished tuning it to suit, I expect that we will see a significant increase in horsepower right across the rev range, and also with torque. So I will pull it off now, fit these parts, put it back on, do some tuning work, and then we can make some comparisons. Okay, so RS660, as I said earlier, we've put velocity stacks and a DNA air filter in the airbox. It already has a full system fitted to it, and we've tuned it to suit. So I guess what everyone wants to know is how much better, if at all, is it over what it was before. I'll pop the graphs up for you in a moment, but the increase is actually quite substantial, all things considered. And what's really nice is the improvement is right through the rev range, which is even better again. I always like to see an improvement at the lower end of the rev range, not just in top end peak horsepower numbers, because obviously we don't ride it at peak RPM. It's impossible to do that, so everywhere else is more important than what the actual outright horsepower figure is. So I'll bang these graphs up for you to have a look at, and that's pretty much it for this one. It is done, ready to rock and roll. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, by the way, if you just scroll down and look underneath this video, you'll see that there is some links to the online store where you can purchase the DNA filter, a copper-rich exhauster there also, and of course the all-important velocity stacks are available for you as well. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dynobike.